Hi all, welcome to Mano Cooks and I'm Mano. Let's learn a quick and very flavorful new sweet recipe for this Ganesh Chaturthi or for Satyanarayan Puja. Presenting the very famous Maharashtrian style Rava Shira or Banana Shira. Let's get started. Please check the description box for the ingredient list, and also to watch this recipe in Tamil, please check out Mano Cooks YouTube channel. For this recipe, ghee, suji or semolina and sugar are taken in same quantity, and milk would be double the quantity of suji. Now let's take a pan to boil milk, add little water and add 1 cup of milk, and let's heat this milk in medium low flame. In the meantime, in another stove, let's keep a non-stick pan or a kadai and heat it on medium flame, and let's add half cup of ghee. Once ghee is hot, let's add half cup of suji or rava. After adding suji, let's mix and roast the suji. In this stage, if you feel the ghee is too hot, please reduce the flame to medium-low and continue to saute. We are just trying to roast the suji to bring out the nutty roasted aroma, so please do not brown it or burn it. Also, if you are new here, please consider subscribing to Mano Cooks to learn more such easy and best recipes with all the tips, and also please click on the bell button to watch my videos as soon as I upload them. Now after 3 to 4 minutes, let's add our chopped banana slices and keep roasting everything together. As we roast this for another 3 minutes, let's add cashew nuts, chopped almonds and dried grapes. Let's keep mixing everything and roast it until we get a nice aroma. Be patient while doing this. Also, whenever you try new recipes, please stick to the measurements, as that will make sure that you get the same result as how I got. And also please try in small quantities first. As we keep roasting this, the nuts would have also roasted in the ghee, and after a few minutes you will get a nice aroma. In this stage, let's add our hot milk which was getting heated in another stove. Let's add the hot boiling milk to suji. When you add milk, remember to keep the flame on medium. Remember to add always hot milk so that the shira turns non-sticky and beautiful in texture. If milk is not hot or cold, shira would turn into a big lump and we will not get the desired texture at the end. Now let's mix the milk and suji so that no lumps are formed, and keep cooking this and mixing it on medium flame. After a few minutes, all the water would be absorbed by suji, and as you can see in the video, the mixture would turn dry. This is the stage we need to add half cup of sugar to this mixture. Let's add sugar and mix everything once again. It's normal for the mixture to turn liquidish after adding sugar, so don't worry, keep cooking until the mixture comes together again. Let's add quarter teaspoon cardamom powder and a pinch of nutmeg powder to this. Mix everything well. Friends, if you like my video, make sure to give a thumbs up and please do share in your social media, and also please like Mano Cooks Facebook page for regular updates. As you can now see in the video, the ghee is oozing out and our mixture is turning into crumbly texture. Now let's reduce the flame to lowest possible setting and cover the pan and allow it to cook on its own steam for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let's open the pan, mix again and turn off the flame. Leave it aside for another 5 minutes, after which the mixture would turn with beautiful crumbly texture. That's how this banana shira is prepared for any puja, or especially for Satyanarayan Puja or Ganesh Chaturthi. So now our very new and exciting sweet Rava Shira is all ready. Make sure to try this recipe for this Ganesh Chaturthi and enjoy with family. Any sweet dish with banana in it is a great treat for everyone. And with puja and so many dishes to prepare, this easy and quick recipe should be in your list of festive sweets and snacks anytime. Please do try this at home and let me know how it turned out for you. Please consider subscribing to Mano Cooks to learn more such easy recipes, and like my Facebook page Mano Cooks, and do follow me on Insta. Thanks a lot for watching.